Hello, this is me, Janki Nair. This video is all about a South Indian festival where over 1 lakh of people get involved. If you really enjoy my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Poruvazhi Peruvurthi Malanada, popularly known as Malanada, is located in Kollam district of Kerala. Unlike any other temple, the temple does not possess a deity or a Sri Kovil. Instead of the Sri Kovil, we could see only a raised platform called Altara or Mandapam, and in place of the deity, devotees submit themselves to a divine power through imagination or through a mental process called Sankalpam. Now, looking back to the history of this temple is really gonna be interesting. The temple has a strong relation with the famous Hindu epic Mahabharatam. It is believed that the divine power or the Sankalpa Murti at Malanada is Duryodhanan, the great epic hero of Mahabharatam. Duryodhana is very famous in the Indian history for his tamoguna actions and thoughts. This is also one reason for him to be adored as the principal deity of the temple. The myth reveals, as part of his efforts to trace out the Pandavas in exile, Duryodhana traversed the forest in the south and reached the Malanada hill. He was much tired and went to a nearby house and asked for some drinking water. It was Kaduthamsheri Kottaram, where Malanada Appupan, the priest and ruler of the land, was staying. An elderly woman gave him some toddy instead of drinking water. Toddy was given at the time as a mark of respect. The king enjoyed the drink but realized after seeing the Kurathali worn by the woman that she belonged to an untouchable lower caste called by the name Kurava. The king consoled himself and appreciated the place and the people's supernatural powers. Thereafter, in furtherance of his Raja Dharma, he sat on the hill and worshipped Lord Shiva, praying for the welfare of his people. Duryodhana, at the time of his departure from Malanada, had told the Malanada Moopan that he was going to wage the great Mahabharata war, and if he had not returned to Malanada by the next Friday, he might be deemed as dead, and the Moopan was instructed to perform his last rites at his abode at Malanada. Also, he set out for the war on a Friday. Next, we are going to show you the beautiful display called Kettukaazha. Kettukaazha is a pageantry. This is the most splendid part of the festival. As an act of charity, Duryodhana, before his departure from Malanada, gave away hundreds of acres of agricultural land as freehold to Devasthanam. The Kettukaazha displays take place in these fields. There are totally 6 big horses and 1 big bull displayed by the 7 Karas, along with several other displays from the side of villagers and other believers. These people display big ones and small ones on the basis of their financial affordability. There are even older ones, foreigners, youngsters and handicapped people coming to take part in this festival. The older ones get even more energetic and dance with the rhythm of the drums. According to the size of the horse or the bull display they carry, the number of people ranges from 4 to 100. The weight of the biggest display can be more than a ton. By around sunset, the Kettukaazha one by one moves up the Malanada hill and rounds the temple. Now the most important highlight of the display carrying is the thread pulling or charak pulling part, also known as alat, done by the experts. This should be done with much care and concentration because leaving the thread can lead to accidents. The last and the most specialistic feature of this festival is that any person who has once took part in this festival or has watched this festival will surely be here the next time, no matter wherever he is. The energy, enthusiasm, and the anxiety of both youngsters and elderly people makes this festival a great success. Many more interesting videos are on the way. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.